Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7. It is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve examples of exercise 20D. One question is written here. Example 1. Find the area of a triangle in which base equal to 25 cm and height equal to 14 cm. We know that formula of area of triangle is area of the triangle, area of the triangle equal to 1 by 2 into b into h equal to 1 by 2. Base is 25 cm into height is 14 cm. 14 divided by 2, 7 to the 14 equal to 25 7 ja 7 175 cm square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example number 3. In this question, find the height of a triangle whose base is 15 cm and area 120 cm square. Find the height. So let the required height let the required height be h. Let the required height be h. According to question, area of the triangle, area of the triangle equal to 120 cm square. That implies area of the triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height equal to 120 cm square. Next step is 1 by 2 into base is 15 cm. Base is 15 cm into height. We have to find height. So 120 cm square. H equal to 2 is by transposition, change into here divide, by transposition change into multiply. So 120 cm square into 2. 15 cm here multiply, by transposition change into divide. So 15 cm. Cm cancel to cm square and 15 is 120 and 8 to the 16 cm. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example 4. In this question, the area of a right triangle is 40 cm square. The area of a right triangle is 40 cm square if on one of its legs measure 8 cm. Find the length of the other leg. So the let the length of the other leg, let the length of the other leg be x. According to question, area of the right triangle, area of the right triangle equal to 40 cm square. That implies formula is 1 by 2 into product of its legs, product of its legs equal to 40 cm square. That implies 1 by 2 into one leg is 8 cm into other leg is x equal to 40 cm square. That implies x equal to 40 cm square. Here 2 is divided by transposition change into multiply, and 8 cm is multiply here by transposition change it in divide. Cm cancel to cm square. 8 5 ja 40 and 5 2 ja 10 cm. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is example 6. In this question, find the area of an equilateral triangle, each of whose sides is 10 cm. So, area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. A square, A is the side of equilateral triangles, equal to root 3 by 4 into 10 cm into 10 cm equal to value of root 3 equal to, take root 3 equal to 1.73. So 1.73 into 10 into 10 100 by 4 cm into cm square equal to 1.73 into 100 by 1.73 multiplied by 100, then its decimal is removed. So 173 by 4. Now 173 divided by 4. Divide here. 4 173. 4 4 are 16. 7 minus 6 1. 1 1 cancel 3. 4 3 are 12. 3 minus 2 1 and 1 1 cancel. Now take decimal 0. 4 2 are 8. 10 minus 8 2 0 and 4 5 are 20. So answer is 43.20 25 cm square answer. Students, understand and write it. Now, today your homework is solve examples of exercise 20D. Thank you. That's all.